Hello, it's Lillian James again, and I have come bearing good news as always. Now, if you are looking for a two-bedroom or three-bedroom apartment in a very good location here in Lekki Phase 1, for not just your residential purpose, but also for commercial activities like shortlet services, then this property right here is for you, and it's a must-have. Why? Because it's very spacious. When I say spacious, I mean very spacious in and out. You can see from the video here, look at the compound. You see how massive the compound is. And aside from that, this house is beautifully finished with the best materials. It's made up of two-bedroom and three-bedroom apartments and is a fully serviced block of flats. It also comes with an elevator. We have the two-bedroom now currently selling for 280 million naira, while the three-bedroom apartment is currently going for 360 million naira. This property has governor's consent as its title, and it also comes with building approval. Take a look for yourself. Now, I'm going to take you inside and show you around this beautiful property. The kitchen comes fully fitted as well as the bathrooms. It's all en suite bathroom, and it also has a visitor's toilet. Like I said, it's in a very good neighborhood. You can see very calm, right? Easy to access, 24 hours light, 24 hours security, and clean water. Now let's go inside and tour this beautiful block of apartments.